Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing today. It is the Dell XPS 15, the brand new one. This one is on loan from Dell, so when we're done with this, it goes back to them, and they are not reviewing or approving this unboxing before it gets uploaded. Now this laptop has been unboxed before. From the label, it looks like this one was on the Verge's website a little bit earlier, so if you want to see some better images of it, that might be the place to go. But it is new to me, and they have put it in the same packaging as what it was when they had it. So let's take the laptop out of the box here. And we looked at the 13-inch one recently, and I was really impressed with that one because it was super efficient in its design. Very limited bezels on it. It was really slick. And I think this one is going to be similar. A little heavier, of course, than the one we just looked at, the 13-inch. And ooh, look at that. It comes right up when you open it up. Now, I had a 15-inch from the prior generation, which this looks similar to, although I think when this screen comes up, we're going to see something a little, oh yeah, look at that. So really attractive here, as you can see. Very, very nice. Now, this is not a 2-in-1, it's just a regular laptop, but the screen here is really, again, efficiently designed. There's not a lot of bezels on this one at all. And when we have the full review, we'll take a closer look and see exactly how well the screen works insofar as backlight bleed and that sort of thing. Let me take a look at the display settings here. This looks like it's running at 4K. Yeah, this is a 4K display that they sent us. This one's resolution is 3840 by 2400 because it's not quite a 16 by 9. I forgot the exact aspect ratio, but it's going to, I think, work better for documents and that sort of thing in addition to media as well. Very attractive display. As you can see, it goes pretty bright too. Look at that. Nice and bright. So that is that. You got speakers here on the top of the deck. This has the carbon fiber that other Dell XPSs in the past had. Huge trackpad here. This is kind of reminiscent of a MacBook trackpad, but it is a physical clicker here, not the fake clicking that you have on the Apple side. So it looks pretty nice there. We'll, again, give you a better idea as to how well all of this stuff performs in the full review. So let's take a look at the ports. On the top here is a Kensington lock. You can use that to lock the machine down on your desk. These two ports are Thunderbolt 3 ports, but you can, of course, use them for USB devices as well. These do power and display out too, so you've got the full service out of those. On the other side, we have another port. Now, this one is not Thunderbolt, it's just regular USB Type-C, but it looks as though you can do power and video out of this too. And then right here, you've got a card slot, and we can put my little SD card thing in there and just see if it sticks out. So the card does stick out a bit, so you really can't walk around with the card unless you get one of those short cards in there. But you can, of course, put your camera cards in there if you need to. And you got a headphone jack here. This one's not fanless. It's got a GPU on board as well. This one has the 1650 Ti, I believe, from the specs that they sent over. Yep, the 1650 Ti. And again, we've got that 4K display. So we'll definitely be testing some games out on this. I would say that you could probably get away with some minimal VR with this as well. So if you have like an Oculus Rift or a Quest or something, you could probably do that too. So altogether, a very attractive laptop here. I just love the bezels on it. They're so slim. And we'll have a full review of this coming soon on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Tom Albrecht, Chris Allegretta, David Hockman, Brian Parker, Mike Patterson, and Bill Pomerantz. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.